Milwaukee M18 FUEL Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit 283621. Cordless power finally proven. Picture this. You are deep into a renovation project, kneeling inside a tight cabinet space, trying to make a clean, flush cut along a door jamb, and your corded oscillating tool runs completely out of cord reach at the worst possible moment. You scramble for an extension, lose your position, and the cut drifts slightly off. That sinking frustration is something every tradesperson and serious DIYer knows all too well. And here is the thing, it is never just the one bad cut. It is the accumulated weight of fighting your equipment instead of focusing on the actual craft. Tools that vibrate your hands raw before midday, blades that require an Allen wrench to swap, and batteries you never fully trust to last. Sound familiar at all? The real cost of an underperforming tool rarely announces itself loudly. It sneaks in gradually and quietly compounds across every shift. You start unconsciously planning jobs around the tool's limitations, rather than around the actual work requirements. You avoid tight crawl spaces because the cord creates a genuine safety hazard you cannot ignore. You skip the detailed finish work because hours of vibration make your hands too unreliable to trust by mid-afternoon. You spend more time hunting for Allen wrenches and managing tangled extension cords than you spend actually cutting and finishing. That grinding daily tension accumulates shift after shift, and before long, your output slows, your confidence takes a quiet hit, and your genuine enjoyment of the craft drains away steadily without you even noticing when it started. A tool that fights you consistently is more than a minor inconvenience. It is a slow, steady drain on your time, your energy, and the quality of every finished job you leave behind. Here is what finally changed things for me. Don't just pick any cordless oscillating multi-tool. Make sure it has genuine vibration dampening technology so you never suffer through numb hands, shaky, imprecise cuts, and lost control during long, demanding sessions again. That single feature separates tools that genuinely belong on a professional job site from tools sitting on a clearance shelf after 6 months. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit 283621 is built entirely around that principle. A power state brushless motor, smart RedLink Plus overload protection, and a counterbalanced low vibration design all working together as one cohesive and purposeful system. Let me explain clearly why that specific combination matters far more than raw speed numbers alone could ever tell you. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit 283621 delivers its biggest wins precisely in the moments that matter most across a real working day. The power state brushless motor operates between 10,000 and 20,000 oscillations per minute with an aggressive 4.2-degree oscillation angle that cuts through hardwood, embedded nails, and thick PVC with genuine authority and consistent speed. Toolbox Buzz, a respected professional tool testing publication, called the power and cutting speed improvement immediately noticeable and specifically described the reduced vibration as a clear, practical win in real field conditions. A commercial finish carpenter who had relied exclusively on corded tools for an entire decade described his switch as complete and permanent, specifically noting his hands were no longer numb after 10 hours of detail sanding. That is not a minor comfort detail. That is the genuine difference between finishing a long day strong and finishing it exhausted. And here is the thing about the objection most people raise immediately. The included XC 5.0 battery was specifically selected to eliminate runtime anxiety. And HVAC technicians confirm it sustains multiple full shifts of intermittent cutting without issue. The tool-free blade change handles swaps in seconds, even with greasy hands. The 180-degree LED illuminates dark crawl spaces and cabinets with clarity. Daily work genuinely becomes calmer, faster, and more controlled. Worth considering carefully, right? The Milwaukee M18 FUEL Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit 283621 directly solves the two problems that frustrate professionals most in this entire tool category: unreliable cordless power and hand-numbing vibration across demanding long shifts. Thousands of contractors, finish carpenters, and serious DIYers are already running it confidently as their daily go-to tool without hesitation. If your current oscillating tool has been quietly costing you time, precision, or physical comfort across your working day, this kit is genuinely worth a closer and honest look. The affiliate link is ready in the description and pinned comment below. Explore it at your own pace, and here is hoping your very next project feels exactly the way quality work should always feel.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.